if you had to walk a beginner through Amazon PPC step by step, what would the process look like from start to finish? If I would have to teach a beginner through Amazon PPC step by step, first off, I would advise you to look up any source that already is available to you. In my case, I am recording these sessions. These are strictly Amazon PPC sessions, and I am prioritizing the beginner questions just because I was a beginner 5 years ago when I started Amazon ads, and I had all your questions. The way these sessions are structured is to answer first the beginner questions. So that would be my go-to. Just go to Noemi Bolojan YouTube channel, find these EMA sessions. They are all in a one long format. And also what we are doing on our end, we're cutting them up by question. If you have one specific question, you don't have to go through a full course. Second, it's my YouTube channel that talks a lot about Amazon PPC tutorials. And again, it's focused towards beginners. So all the questions that you might have, from how to strategize, how to understand what ad types to create, how to have a framework when it comes down to Amazon ads, all those are already something that I wish I had 5 years back when I started first my journey on Amazon ads. So I would highly recommend my channel. What else I would recommend is allow yourself to not look up too many people at the same time and learn from everyone. And here, this is very different from what I was doing 5 years ago when I was like, I have to learn about Amazon PPC because I'm running ads for my own campaigns and own products. What I learned during this process is that what I do want you to avoid as a beginner is you don't know what to focus on right now. So find the 1-2 people max that you're going to focus and go through all their content, see what is relevant to whatever you're looking for. And then once you've done that and your questions were still not answers, then I would look to a new source. Reason for that is you don't know yet what to prioritize because everything seems to be the shiny object that you have not tried. So that's why I'm recommending you first try 1-2 sources, learn from them, assimilate them, see what actually works for your account, what it doesn't, and only then go forward. This was more in-depth answer. Those are the biggest takeaways I had during my journey on learning Amazon ads. I was like a sponge learning from everyone, but I did not learn how to learn strategically until 2 years ago when I was like, okay, what is a framework based on all these places that I learned Amazon ads from?